I recently found out that certain types of palm trees can be sold in Florida, and actually they have a high resale value, and also they and also high demand for these commercial landscape projects. See, the one right here is actually a Canary Island date palm. It stands nearly it's like around 30 feet tall. It's a uh, it seems that it has a pretty good resale value for this particular type of farm. I really don't know. I mean, I used to have around, back then, I used to have seven palm trees. I should have known this thing, but but anyhow, so this is, those are queen palms, and after doing some research, I came to know that there's zero value for the queen palm. So these kind of palms is especially the canary palm or Sylvester palm. They had a pretty good value. I think looks like they're all using it for new I mean the new landscaping. They buy it for a good value for these things.